Hey everybody, what's up? It's Cover23 and they're back on another video. I'm here with Zach on 916.
Hi.
And today we're back at the Pokemon Diamond and Pearl Randomizer versus. You guys are enjoying this series. Make sure you guys hit a like and show some positive feedback down below. But in the last episode, we left off. I got through the forest and I got two new team members of Larvitar and Eevee. I know they're under level right now, so I'm not going to use them right now. I'll level them up off screen, or if I get an EXP share. Actually, I will get the EXP share probably in a little bit. Zach, I'm still struggling to get through the woods.
I got the woods last episode.
No, you didn't.
I did.
I asked you, and you said no. Then did you get your encounter?
Not yet, because I had no footballs.
Wow, look at this guy, unprofessional. Never prepared. Alright, I gotta go. I hate this gym so much.
Oh, I thought you. Oh yeah, the gym's first, because yeah, use cut to get to the facility.
No, you don't. You can walk right through it. Alright, you don't get the joke.
Bronzong.
Ha, Baltoy.
What?
Baltoy.
What about it?
I'm battling a Baltoy. Do you
Oh.
know Claydol and Bronzong are basically the same thing?
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Two different generations.
Okay, and?
One's steel type, one's not.
Okay, and? So now you're just assuming them based off type. Okay.
One's a bell, one's a doll.
No, it's not. I don't know who told you this lie. It's supposed to be a dreidel.
What?
A dreidel. Do you not know what a dreidel is?
No. Never heard the word.
It's basically like a Beyblade.
Oh.
But a dreidel. Like the little thing you spin. It's just the spinning top and a little stick on top.
Okay.
Okay, you don't know what it is.
So a top.
No, it's called a dreidel.
Oh wait. Oh, those things. Okay.
The
Now
official
you know
name
what I'm talking
for
about.
it. Yeah, the official name for it is a dreidel, but you can call it a top. But you'll
They're
people
one of those
won't.
like shiny little things where it's like with symbols on the side.
Some of them do, yes. I destroyed the gym already
How do you through like 2 minutes?
because I'm a better trainer than you. Get on my level.
What's your highest level?
That's a good question. 19, 20. We gotta realize something.
What?
My main team members are all fully evolved.
That's probably why.
Yeah, your team is there. I found the boy. That's a Rotom.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Rotom basically counters my Drifblim, but guess who's still keeping Drifblim in? Don't use Thunderbolt, Thunder Shock. Okay, use my favorite move.
How many trainers are in the gym?
4. Team.
Hi, Akron.
No.
Excuse me?
Did you get your encounter yet?
For the forest, I haven't yet.
What? Come on, man, you slacking. Monferno. I like Monferno. I really do like that line a lot. What would you say your favorite starter is from this region?
Probably Chimchar.
Okay, good choice. What would you say your least favorite is?
Piplup.
Smart man. Wow. This thing literally lived on 1 HP.
I'm just saying, I got hit with confusion 3 times in a row.
It sucks. Sucks, doesn't it?
It's annoying.
Now you know what I had to go through.
What do you mean?
Remember when I was get hit by Confused Ray or Supersonic?
Huh.
Level 18. That's a Pidgeot. Oh gosh. Dang it. Alright, well, so what's your team again? You have Marshtomp.
Marshtomp, Beautifly. What's it called? Marowak and Satu.
I'll let you know. Your team is super slow. Aye, aye, aye. Wait, so you only have 4 people on your team?
Yeah?
Crazy. But did you know that in this game, the biggest gap between gym leaders is the 7th and 8th gym?
Really? How big is the gap?
Because you go through the snow, but then you also have to go through Galactic Patrol, the Galactic Hideout, go through 3 lakes.
What's the
Then-
gap? Like,
Yeah, I'm telling you. You have to go through the 3
oh, I
lakes.
thought like level gap, level jump. I mean,
No, like story gap. You go through 3 lakes, you go through the Galactic HQ, then you have to go to the top of the mountain to battle the legendary. Then you go to the 8th gym. I don't know why I thought about that, but it just clicked in my mind.
another aggron. Are you kidding me?
Is that your encounter?
No, 2 aggrons in this gym.
Why are you in the gym? You're not ready for this.
I'm not ready for this.
You're not ready for the power.
I level 20.
Okay, and level isn't everything.
Actually, it is.
It really isn't.
Then what is everything?
Skill.
Porygon.
See, if that thing was Eviolite, it'll destroy your life. This Kingdra is level 17.
Doug Trio. Okay.
You're a Doug Trio.
No, I'm not.
I mean, we're all Doug Trios in our
How?
minds. We all have different personalities, which bring out different parts of our head. Doug Trio has 3 heads.
So is Dodrio. And Executor.
Yeah, multiple personalities.
Execute.
Wait! Houston, we have a problem. I forgot that didn't work, but okay. What is Kingdra
Maybe
weak
Junior.
to?
What?
What'd you say?
I said beat the gym leader.
Yeah, I don't believe you at all.
Okay, team 86, where are you? Oh, Gust.
Oh,
What?
that's what I forgot to do.
What'd you forget to do?
I forgot to bump up my speed to 1.5.
Oh, gosh.
So in that whole last episode, I was sitting on normal speed. This thing is just sitting here, using smokescreen over and over. But Little doesn't know, I have quick attack.
I see a rock.
You know what's crazy? I picked one of those up last episode.
Really?
Yeah, and I sold it.
Why'd you sell it?
Because it does absolutely nothing.
Keeps it weather longer.
Yeah, but
Hail.
Who you gonna use hail?
Snow cloak. Or your fast pass.
Yeah, but I'm not doing that. Oh no,
What?
this may be a problem.
What's the problem, Troy?
This may be a problem. I may lose everyone here.
How?
Yep, I'm losing everybody.
What happened?
Goodbye.
Dragon Rage?
Yep.
Anyone die yet?
Nope. No one on my team can live at least one. Who don't I need the most?
Are you actually serious?
Yes, I'm actually serious. There's like a bite on my screen. And it has Dragon Rage. Okay.
Ooh, boomerang.
Okay. Okay, if I can heal up my Frostlass to a point where it can live one, I should be fine.
Where are you at in the hideout?
I'm not in a hideout.
Where are you at?
I'm in the gym.
Still?
Yes. I have to hope he doesn't attack. He didn't attack.
Did it or did?
It didn't.
What do you use?
Sand attack. Okay, keep using sand attack. Dragon Rage sucks early game. Oh, great.
What happened?
I'm missing, that's what happened.
Oh.
And there goes Dragon Rage.
Anyone die?
If I don't hit this attack, I'll die. One shot! Yay!
Who one-shot it? Frostlass?
Yep. I had to get Drifblim out of there. Okay, so you two aren't going up front anymore. I hate Dragon Rage. Master Ball. Oh, Sticky Barb.
What if you actually got a master?
I wouldn't be able to use it. Oh, don't forget to get your thingamabobber.
My what?
Your Explorer kit.
Oh, true.
And then you can go on the ground and get your fossil.
Oh, try to see you about those 2 fossils you
Yes,
got.
I already know. I know about them. I'm talking about you. But I can't do it yet. Alright, don't hurt me, please. Do not have a dragon type. That's even worse. Actually, never mind. I should be fine. Zekrom, imagine I have a fire flying type with only fire and flying type moves. Great.
Mantine.
It's a great game.
How so?
I get confused with confusion.
Have fun.
I broke through. Poochyena. That would be Devin. Cool trainer female. I don't even know how to say that name. What's her highest level?
20.
Oh no. This thing is even her highest level?
She's level 19, 20.
Oh yeah, so I lowered defense. It should just, yep, knocked out.
Are you battling Jupiter already?
No.
Oh.
I'm in the gym. Shockwave's stronger than Thunder Shock.
Yes.
It is. And it doesn't miss. Oh no, I lost.
How?
She was a slide nub.
Oh.
She's a level 22, you lied to me.
I thought you were talking about Jupiter.
No. I said I was in the gym earlier. Help. I'm being bullied. Send help.
Team low kick.
Low kick? That's clutch.
Mm-hmm.
Probably not for you, but it's clutch. Bop. I completed my objective for this episode.
Dying Jim,
Yeah. Almost died, but I beat it.
but you battled Jim.
Yeah, that last trainer almost knocked me out.
How did XP share?
Huh?
Don't you get the XP share in the gate?
Yes. I'm pretty sure I just got cross-shot.
She tells you what it is.
I know. I was clicking through and all I saw was chop. Yeah, I got cross-chop.
Not bad.
It's very bad.
How so?
It's horrible. I need a cut mod. Do I have any cut mods in the PC?
Sure, I made her. I made her every Pokemon learns iteration.
Yeah, but I don't want to get many of these guys cut.
Give someone you haven't used cut.
That's what I'm doing. That's why I said anyone in the PC can learn cut. Okay, I'm gonna put Eevee in the PC for now. I'll get them trained up to the same level off the screen. I'm gonna give my Mothman Horn Drill. You didn't hear what I said. Good.
Botham Horn Drill?
Yeah, man. Little do you know, there's a hidden item. Where it is? I think it's over here. It is super hot. Get rid of it. I don't know where it is. I got TM62 assist.
Really?
Yeah,
Not bad.
it's very bad. Alright. I am now in Hearthrome City.
Wait, what?
What?
Harlem City.
Yeah,
Why are you waiting over there?
because I walked.
But you just beat the gym.
I lied.
When? Why would you do that?
Because why would I tell you where I am?
You're not Harlem City.
I mean, you just had to watch the video and find out.
So you're lying the whole time with Dragon Rage and everything.
Oh no, I wasn't lying about Dragon Rage.
Are you actually Harlem City?
Yeah.
Why? How are you this that fast?
Because I walked.
Oh my gosh, stop eating these stupid
Oh, I
answers. Troy.
found your favorite Pokemon!
I don't care if some stupid one. Stop eating these stupid answers.
Then don't ask stupid questions.
Oh my god, I'm not doing this again.
If you would think about where I said, oh my gosh, Dragon Rage Gabite, there's no way I'll be in Hearthstone City. There would be literally no way. And I just
You could.
I just thought about my mistake. Hold on, I might end up paying my biggest debt.
So are you actually Harlem?
Zekrom.
For now.
At
What?
15 minutes, I said, oh no, a Gabite with Dragon Rage. Unless
Yeah.
I can beat the Rocket, the Plasma Hideout, go through Cycling Road, all the dialogue, and revive my fossils in a
True.
span of 4 minutes. There's no way I'd be there.
So you actually just beat the gym?
Yes, I just beat the gym,
Okay.
and I just killed a Groudon.
Good.
And I just realized my mistake again. Why
What?
is my Frost Slash still out? There was a Groudon and Magby on the
Ooh.
screen, and I have
Ooh.
Frost Slash out.
Okay. I gotta curl ya.
What?
My encounter to curl ya.
And?
Oh, I was saying that. But okay.
I'm playing. That's cool, man.
It's the female one, so I can't get laid.
I mean, you can if you believe. If you believe
Oh, yeah,
in the
caught
heart
it.
of the cards, the pink will become blue.
What should I name it?
What do you usually name it?
I can't remember. I named it. I had one down Pearl.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys are excited to see the series, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and share a video with a friend. If you guys want to get notified whenever I upload a video, make sure you hit the notification bell. And if you guys want to go see what Zekrom uploads on his channel, the link to his channel will be down in the description below. Leave some positive feedback down below in the comments. It's always loud. And it's coming from 3 Zekrom 6, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.